What's up guys, Laughlin here, and right behind me is my 2016 Ford GT350. Right off the showroom floor, these cars made right around 500 horsepower, which isn't too bad, but from there I decided to call the folks over at ProCharger and ended up putting a P1X ProCharger on the car, and now the car makes right at 750 horsepower. With the added power, I've decided my next call was going to be to the folks over at McLeod Racing to get a clutch. So what I ended up with here from McLeod is the twin disc RXT with the aluminum flywheel. This clutch is good for right at 1,000 horsepower, and so since I'm only making 750, this thing is going to be absolutely perfect. Some of the highlighted features about this particular clutch, for me, the first one is it still retains a light pedal. That's huge for drivability. Secondly, the RXT from McLeod is a twin disc clutch, so it lasts longer, it runs cooler, and the material on these discs is actually made from organic compounds. So really, even though my car only makes right at 750 horsepower, for right at $1,000 for this entire clutch system, for me, that's going to be cheap insurance. The last thing I want is to be stranded on the side of the road somewhere. So here's the deal. Whether you just need a replacement clutch or you're making more horsepower now that you need the assurance that you're going to get that power to the ground, go to McLeodracing.com. Right, Al?
That's right. Get you a McLeod clutch for your hoopty today.